no fighting and no wars. There would be lasting peace on earth. If all the kings and all the leaders could see you here this way,